Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. We're back in the garden guys and I have a very nice surprise for you. Look at this. Oh, I didn't expect that we already have strawberries ready for harvest today. Like I just came here to water my garden and then I kind of saw a red color underneath the netting. So I removed the netting and this is what I found. Look at that. I already grabbed me a bunch to eat. And we still have some in here that are waiting to be picked. Oh, this is so exciting. Here, there's more. Yeah, in terms of size, they're actually decent size. Look at that. And they're so red. I noticed that there are some slugs in here now. But so far, we have plenty of some good ripe strawberries. I can't wait to get more of these strawberries, guys. Look at that. This is really easy because like after harvesting, we're just going to put this netting over the bed so the birds will not eat the ripe strawberries. Yeah, and look at how healthy these plants are. The leaves look so green and they're just so nice. Wow. This is actually the earliest that we got some strawberry harvest from our garden, because usually we don't get strawberries until early May. But thinking about it, I just remember that these are not June bearing strawberries. These are the ever bearing strawberries that I propagated last year. So I guess they just fruit earlier than the June bearing strawberries. Yeah, our June bearing strawberries, which are over there, it's hard to see them now. They have flowers already, but no fruit yet. But yeah, the ever bearing strawberries, they're earlier and they're actually really sweet. All right, guys, I'm gonna get going and harvest all of the red berries in this patch. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.